Hello, IK here. Welcome to my first YouTube course, React AI e-commerce course. Your path to becoming an advanced React and AI developer. Lesson 1. Download and install. I divide the work between you, me, and AI. My task here is to give you task. Download and install Node.js, npm, Git, Visual Studio Code, VSC, create your first React application. For explanation about what each tool is and how to use it, ask AI. I use ChatGPT for this. AI is a better teacher for this task than I am. In learning, patience is number one. No hurry, no worry. More time means more knowledge and experience. Ask AI whenever you need help. It is important to speak and write as briefly as possible what you learn in this lesson. Write it in comment if you want to share your opinion. Keep a diary of how you will become an advanced React AI developer. Goal of this lesson, see your first React application on the screen. The end of lesson 1. Okay, if you know some friend who need some course like it is, tell them about this. Write it in your social network. Subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching this lesson 1.